So good morning all. Today we are discussing about kinematics 1D. We are discussing one of the difficult concept, that is derivation of Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. So this is one of the difficult derivation in kinematics 1D. So today we are deriving these equations. So let so S n is equal to S of n minus S of n minus S of n minus 1. So Sn is equal to S of n minus S of n minus 1. What is Sn? So Sn is equal to the distance traveled by particle in nth second. Distance traveled by the particle in nth second. This is very, very important. So here n stand the nth second. So Sn is equal to the distance traveled by a particle in nth second. Now what about S of n? So S of n is that the distance traveled by a particle in n seconds. So that is the difference. So this is n seconds. So keep in mind guys, this is Sn, that is nth second. S of n means what here? N seconds. Next, what is n minus 1? So n minus 1 is nothing but the distance traveled by a particle in n minus 1 seconds. So this is very, very important. These three things everybody must aware of it. Then only you learn Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. So please keep in mind guys. So now we start deriving. So we know that S of n is equal to, so let us say S of t is equal to u plus a into t minus half. So now guys, S of n is equal to, how will transform this equation or function when you substituted n? So u plus a into n minus half. So S of n minus 1. So S of n minus 1 is equal to u plus we know that S of t is equal to ut plus half at square. So S of n is equal to un plus half into an square. Let us say equation 1. Next, S of n minus 1 is equal to un minus 1 plus half into a n minus 1 whole square. Let us say equation 2. Just now we discussed Sn is equal to S of n minus S of n minus 1. So Sn is equal to S of n minus S of n minus 1. So what is Sn? Un plus half into an square minus What is S of n minus 1? U into n minus 1 plus half into A into n minus 1 square. Now un plus half into an square minus, so I am expanding this one, so u into n, u into minus u plus half into a into n minus 1 whole square, a minus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So I am expanding such a way, so n square minus 2n plus 1. Then what we get? Un plus half an square minus un minus half minus plus u plus minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus half an square, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, 2 to cancel, an we get. Next minus into plus minus half a into 1 half a. Now let's see guys, here plus un minus un get cancel, plus u, okay with there, plus an square minus an square plus an square minus an square get cancelled. So what is the remaining? This is the remaining. So u plus a connect, take it as a common. So what you get? N minus half. So nothing but, sometimes you take the LCM. Sometimes we take the LCM. So Sn is equal to u plus. Now I am taking the LCM. So a by 2 is equal to, a by 2 is equal to 2n minus 1. So this is another type of form.